Hello out there, this is the weekly podcast, once again projected to you by the Oriental Pacific Futures and delivered to you by Dawong, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in busamarketplace.com. Alright, the FCPO prices actually were quite weak, which is very unexpected on last week. Basically, it was due to the MSCI that delayed on the adding of China A shares into the world emerging market, and all the commodities denominated in RMB actually came off, and that affected the palm oil prices in Malaysia. Alright, for this week, Monday, there will be a rollover on the active month, which we're going to see the August month moving towards the September as active month. Alright, usually on the rollover day, we should be able to see a small gap on the downside before the market recovers. And based on this daily chart itself, on last Friday, the market closed at a price of 2277, and that was 2,277 ringgit per ton. And on this coming Monday, we're expecting the market to be trading a little bit lower before it bounces up. But the market should be supported, as you can see here, on the EMA 200 averaging line, which will come as a very strong support. So on this coming Monday, we're expecting market to be supported in the region of 2240 to 2250 as it moves up. And once the market tries to go up after the midweek, we should be seeing the market coming to the top side and will be registered in the region of 2320. So on the day chart itself, the range expected this week is going to move from 2240 to 2320. Alright, that is on the weekly chart. And taking a look at the day chart here while we turn into the 60-minute. Alright, what we're going to see here is on the 60-minute chart itself, the market could be coming down a little bit more on the downside. And while we are waiting for the chart to turn off here, well, okay, good. On the 60-minute chart, as we see here, the market is actually moving on the downtrend, alright, on this top part coming down here, alright. If we were to form a parallel line, we should be seeing a channel going down here, which we mentioned earlier, the support will be pretty strong at 2240, and that also coincides with the support of EMA 200 on the 60-minute chart. So on this day chart and the 60-minute chart, we conclude that 2240 is going to be a strong support for this coming week, and the range will still be in play as we expected from 2240 to 2320. Alright, we are coming to the end of the weekly video class here, and this is Dawong here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in busamarketplace.com. And if you want to keep up with our daily forecast, alright, you can follow our Twitter, which is also loaded up in busamarketplace.com. And on the weekly video class here, we are forecast on the weekly trend on the FCPO on higher probability. Alright, thank you for staying with us, and do come back. Thank you. Bye bye.